Hello, Tribe Forex traders. Today is April 6, 2015, and we are up big pips, by the way. We just got into we've been in since last week, Friday, if you're a part of the trade copier, in a 4-hour trade that went back and forth, vacillated for a bit, went about 50 pips against us, and then went in our direction quite a bit, that we're quite currently up. Now, what else happened, which was wonderful for us, we had called a 110.30 trade. It's at 1.1030. We had a trade here, and right up here at the very top, as you can see here, that's where the 110.30 hit. We had a reversal candle and a triple threat formation, and we took the triple threat formation right here at the top, right off of this level, and you can see here that price dropped. So basically we had a 20 pip stop loss, and price just dropped beautifully for about 108 pips. We're looking for price to continue to move down, even though it's currently in a brief retracement. We're looking for price to continue to move down here on the euro. So if you're in those trades, in that 4-hour euro trade that we got into, or into the 15-minute 110.30 entry trade that we got into on the auto rev, then congratulations, and look for more profits. We do expect that the market will continue to move down, and we're looking for it to drop to at least 1.0800 to begin with, and we may actually see it drop down to 1.0400, 450 again, where we found the bottom of this entire move that we've been on. The fundamentals haven't shifted. We're probably going to look to see more of the same. So that's the euro. So if you're not in any of these trades for whatever reason, because you should be in those trades, then look to get in on a 1.0970 entry. So we're looking for price to come back up, so we can get in right around here. Okay, 1.0970. That's what we can look to see here. Now look, if you've gotten the new software that I've just put out, the Tribe Forex Quattro, which is a phenomenal software. It's done phenomenally well. Let's see if I can find it for you. Okay. Great software. Done really, really well. This is the Tribe Forex Quattro. You can see how it's performed over the last year or so. Really, really well performing. And we're looking for it to continue to perform well. And we're actually right here, and it's given us a sell signal as well, which we're currently in. All right, so if you haven't gotten your Quattro yet, get it. Our entry is at 1.0925, and we've got about a 70 pip take profit and 70 pip stop loss on either side of this. So if you want to get involved with that, that's where it's going to be, or just turn your Quattro on, hit the auto buy or the auto sell buttons, and it will remain on and continue to take trades in whatever direction it feels would be a high probability. It's completely set and forget it software. You don't have to do anything after you set it up. And so guys, that's what we have going on the euro dollar. Dollar Swiss, we do have a trade and we have an opportunity. We're going to be looking for price to get down to 0.9530 where this red line is, and we're going to buy off of that. A lot of confluence there, a lot of areas of support and resistance. We're still looking for buys here on the dollar Swiss. If you look as we get to the higher time frames, we had this drop and a move back up, and it's just been in a buy trend overall. I know it looks like a consolidation here, but it's just been a buy. And so we're going to look for 0.9530 on a buy side. Okay. On the pound dollar, we've got no trade here. We really got back up to our 1.4890 area. It's actually 1.4883, and it sold right off that area. So I think that the market's going to drop at some point off of this area, but just not today. So we don't have a clear place to sell that pound dollar, so we're not going to sell it. The dollar yen, euro yen, pound yen, we're going to leave those alone. Or the dollar yen and the pound yen. We actually do have a trade on the euro yen. Euro yen's doing pretty much what the euro dollar is doing. And we're actually going to take a conservative trade and look for a sell at 131.25, which is almost right back at the peak. 131.25, which is actually right here where this beautiful 200 EMA is. It's also an area where you can see that prices come back to repeatedly and bounced off of. So 131.25 is a great area for us to look for a sell. If the market gets all the way back up there, then we'll be looking for a sell on the euro yen. Aussie dollar, just so much going on. It's at the bottom of the consolidation here that it's been in, and for that reason we're not going to mess with it. The price could easily sell off this area, continue in the downtrend that it had been in previously, or we could see it just simply retrace, head back upward. For that reason, we're not going to take the Aussie dollar. It's just ambiguous. It's not giving us what we need. New Zealand dollar, however, we do like the looks of the New Zealand dollar. We're looking for it to be at 75.90. All right, so right back here where this pod B strong is, it's also an area of support. And so we're going to look for a sell right off of this level at 179.90 or 175.90, and a move straight back up here on this New Zealand dollar. Dollar CAD is our last trade. We've got a 1.2420 buy that we're going to look for. So you can notice here on this dollar CAD, we've kind of had a consolidation back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We're going to look for that same consolidation to continue, and we're going to take a buy off of this area of support here at 1.2420. Okay? And guys, those are our trades for this next trading session, April 7th, which is to come up, 2015. Tonight we will have the live trade room. With me will be one of my proteges, Roger, who's going to do a phenomenal job. As Ricky's out for the military, he's going to be doing some military training. So, guys, we look forward to seeing you tonight in the live trade room. All the best. Bye-bye.